Ever wondered how some women thrive while others struggle with yo-yo dieting? Brace yourself because we're unveiling the ultimate powerhouse combo. The vital two must-haves that working moms like you need to claim your rightful place in the realm of lasting results. After working with hundreds of clients over the years, I've noticed that the women who achieved their dream bodies and kept them had two things in common. It's not about having an exclusive membership to secret knowledge. It's about a unique approach. Imagine this as cracking a code. The two things you must have to lose fat and keep it off. What are these, you ask? It's the undeniable fusion of a solid strategy and a bulletproof mindset. Don't leave this video just yet. I know these two things aren't sexy, but trust me when I say this, if you're still struggling to reach your fat loss goals, it's probably because you've ignored one, if not both of these. So pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. Strategy is like the rudder, steering your ship towards a triumphant fat loss destination. Visualize this as a meticulously drawn map, guiding you through uncharted waters. Things like keto, carb cycling, macro count, workout programs, and meal plans are like trusty navigation, plotting your course. These tools cater to the essentials: what to eat, workout regimens, hormonal balance, and sleep optimization, all the pivotal puzzle pieces. Studies published in renowned journals like Obesity have shown that a well-designed strategy significantly enhances adherence to weight loss plans. It's like having a tailor-made roadmap, ensuring you're not just wandering aimlessly, but marching towards your goals with purpose. However, let's uncover the gem. Having a map alone doesn't guarantee arrival. Without a deep understanding of how to stay consistent and committed, your voyage can hit turbulence at every turn, leaving you stranded at every crossroad. Now let's journey into the realm of mindset, your internal orchestra conductor, orchestrating the symphony of your journey. Think of thought work, NLP, intuitive eating, hypnosis, coaching, and journaling as your personal maestros, teaching you the rhythm of your emotions and thoughts. They delve into the very core of an emotional eating, habit formation, and behavioral patterns. Imagine your brain as a garden. It needs tending, care, and nurturing. Research in the International Journal of Obesity has shed light how mindset interventions influence behavior change and long-term weight management. It's like cultivating the fertile soil of your thoughts, making sure negativity doesn't overshadow the blossoming seeds of progress. Mindset isn't just a supporting character. It's the protagonist that propels you through the chapters of your transformation journey. To be successful long-term, you must have both. Your journey is like a symphony. Strategy composes the melody, while mindset breathes life into the notes. Imagine yourself as a sculptor, shaping your journey. Strategy provides the tools, and mindset wields them with precision. It's a magnificent blend that paints your canvas of success. So, how would you approach this in your daily life? Let's talk about real-world scenarios that working moms encounter. Picture this: a busy workday spirals into chaos, and you're tempted to grab fast food on the way home. Here's where strategy swoops in, reminding you of pre-prepared meals waiting in your fridge. But what if stress threatens to derail your plans? This is where mindset takes center stage, allowing you to cope without resorting to emotional eating. The vital two must-haves are your compass, guiding you towards the summit of fat loss and empowerment. It's not just about shedding weight. It's about embarking on a journey that unlocks your true potential inside and out. If you're ready to take that decisive step, I invite you to secure your spot for a complimentary Dream Body Blueprint session. My program provides you with both the strategy and the mindset skills you need to achieve life-lasting success. Book a call and I'll catch you in the next video.